Hey, it's great to see you. Ever wonder what separates a thrilling ride from a risky one? Join me as we dive deep into the world of motorcycle safety gear. And as always, let's ride. In this video, we're going to explore the absolute must-have safety gear for every biker. This is the ultimate guide of safety gear that can save your ride and possibly your life. But stay until the end, where I reveal the most overlooked piece of safety gear: helmets, your ultimate cranial fortress. Let's dive into the world of helmet, where these babies are a lot more than just fancy headgear. First up, the full face helmet, the Avengers of protection. These bad boys cover your noggin from forehead to chin, shielding you from wind, pesky bugs, and random debris that might ruin your ride. Now, say hello to the transformer of the helmet universe, the modular helmet. They are like a quick change artist, going from full face to open face mode in a jiffy. You want some breeze or full out security? These helmets got your back, or your head. And now we're gonna get a little crazy. Here we have the 3/4 helmet. Doesn't provide the full protection of a full face or modular helmet because you have an open face. You can wear a shield over this to prevent the bugs or debris hitting your face, or you can go straight on like this and wear glasses or goggles. The open face or 3/4 helmet provides protection to the sides and the top, but not to the face or the chin. Whoa, hold your horses. We have the rebels of the bunch. They have helmets. They let you feel the breeze of the wind on your face while risking a bit of your facial charm. It's like choosing airflow paradise and a little less protection. Decisions. Let's talk materials. Polycarbonate shells are the budget-friendly warriors, offering decent protection without emptying your pocket. Then there are the cool kids on the block. Fiberglass and carbon fiber helmets. They're the featherweight champs, tough as nails without weighing you down. Ventilation, folks, they're not just for your air conditioner at home. Helmets with adjustable vent control, it's like having your own personal climate control. And don't forget those moisture-wicking, smell-fighting liners for a fresh and dry interior. No funky smells there. Certifications, the gold stars of safety. Look out for DOT, ECE, or SNELL ratings. They're like the helmet's report card, telling you that they pass all the tough tests to keep your head intact. When picking your helmet, think about comfort, fit, and safety features. All right, fellow road warriors, let's chat about jacket. Those not so average threads that are more than just a fashion statement. They're your armor against the elements. First up, the classic leather jacket. They're the OGs of motorcycle gear. It's not just a cool fashion choice, they're like a tank for your upper body. Road rash? Nah, it just laughs in the face of scrapes and keeps you looking fly. Then there's the textile jacket. Made from fancy stuff like Kevlar or Cordura, it's the hero of adaptability. Rain? No problem. These bad boys keep you dry and even adjust their temperature game with removable liners. And let's not forget about the armor. Strategically placed like secret agents on the elbows, shoulders, and back. They take hits like bosses, protecting you in case gravity decides to show off. Ventilation, folks, is not just a fancy word. Jackets with vents or mesh panels, it's like having your own personal AC on wheels. Stay cool or heat things up, your choice. Ever heard of CE rated armor? These aren't your average protectors. They're the Iron Mans of safety. Flexible, comfy, and ready to take the hit while keeping you cozy. Fit matters, friends. Your jacket should hug you just right, like that perfect burrito. Snug, but not squishing you. Remember, your jacket is not just a style statement, it's your first line of defense on the road. Whether you rock the tough elegance of leather or the adaptable magic of textiles, make sure it's not just about the look, but about keeping you safe and comfy on all rides. Let's talk about those superheroes of riding gear. Gloves. Yeah, they may be small, but they pack a punch in keeping your hands safe on the road. Leather versus textile. It's like a glove showdown. Leather gloves are the tough guys, taking on abrasion like a boss and molding to your hands over time. But hold on, textile gloves are no slouch. They're flexible and weatherproof, like a Swiss Army knife for handwear. Critical areas need some extra love, like knuckles and palms. Look for gloves with built-in shields or padding. Fancy stuff like carbon fiber to be your hand's bodyguard, in case things go haywire. Grip, people, is what keeps you flying off your bike like a circus clown. Textured palms or silicone grips on your gloves is like the secret sauce for keeping a tight hold, giving you ninja-level control. For you new riders out there, finding gloves that balance protection and flexibility is key. Get those with wrist closures or adjustable tabs. For hot weather, you can wear vented gloves like these that you can wear all summer long and still provide protection. Although leather gloves do provide protection during the rain, they do get slippery. For the rain, I suggest a textile glove that is waterproof, windproof, and still flexible. Keep your hands warm in the winter and chill in the heat. Comfort matters. Your gloves should feel snug, not like a straitjacket around your hands. When picking out your gloves, make sure you look for quality, fit, and safety features. Question of the day: I want to know, what kind of safety gear do you wear? And what safety gear do you compromise on? A lot of us do that. I just want to know, so comment down below. Let's lace up and talk about the unsung heroes of the road. Motorcycle boots. Ankle support, folks. It's the MVP of boot features. Find boots that hug your ankles like your favorite pillow, giving you that sweet balance between support and comfort. Think of reinforced areas in your boot like the Iron Man suit for your feet. Shins, heels, and toes get the royal treatment with fancy stuff like reinforced leather and TPU. It's like wearing a fortress around your feet, protecting them against road surprises. Grip, grip, baby. Look for boots with soles that feel like they can wrestle an alligator. Trust me, you want that solid grip, especially when the road throws a curveball down your way. Fit is king. Your boots should be snug and not feel like you're wearing ankle braces. Flex those feet. Your boots should cheerfully support you while letting your toes do the happy dance. Oh, and weather woes? No problem. Get boots with weatherproof superpowers like Gore-Tex. Pick wisely. Cruiser boots, adventure boots, or racing boots. Choose the ones that fit your style. Get out there, ride, and let your boots do the talking. Goggles and glasses. Clear vision for your ride. We're not just talking about looking cool. We're talking about seeing clearly and keeping those people safe on the roller coaster road. Clarity is king. Look for lenses that are made of tough stuff like polycarbonate. Think of them as shield for your eyes for that crazy stuff that happens on the road. Anti-fog tech? Yeah, that's your secret weapon against weather pranks. Get lenses with UV protection. We're not letting the sun's rays spoil our ride. Shield those eyes. Squinting is so last season. Helmet buddies, assemble! Your eyewear should fit snugly underneath your helmet without giving you a headache. We're talking about comfort without compromise. Ill-fitting eyewear is a no-go. We don't want anything messing with our peripheral vision or slipping off during the ride. Got prescription glasses? No worries. These are prescription sunglasses. Look for eyewear that has your specs or has prescription lens options. Adjustable straps or temples are your best friends. Custom fit? Check. Comfort? Double check. Foam padding? It's like a comfy hug for your face. Keeping sneaky wind, dust, or debris away. Before you commit, do the helmet and eyewear compatibility dance. Hey, remember, get the good stuff. Clear vision, eye protection, and comfort are non-negotiable. Earplugs, safeguarding your hearing. Engines and traffic noise, they're loud, and that continuous racket can mess with your ears like an overexcited baby. They tune down the engine roars and the traffic noise, giving your brain some peace and focus. Less noise means less brain drain. Earplugs save you from noise exhaustion, keeping you sharper on the road and making your ride more chill. Look for earplugs designed for riders. They're like noise ninjas, muffling the chaos but keeping the important sounds in check. Comfort is crucial. Get earplugs that feel like clouds in your ear. Soft, snug, and comfy. Foam, silicone, or custom fit. The choice is yours. Remember, earplugs are not just extras. They're your ears protectors, keeping the noise at bay and making your ride smoother. I'm glad you stayed up to this point in the video. Buckle up because we're about to unveil the unspoken hero of motorcycle gear, riding pants. Yep. While riding jackets hog the limelight, these lower body guardians are like the secret ingredient for a smooth, safe ride. Let's give them the spotlight they deserve. Picture this: riding pants protecting your legs from scrapes, weather tantrums, and unexpected surprises. Leather pants, they're the tough gladiators of the riding world, giving you that classic biker look while acting like shields against the rough road. Then there are textile pants, weatherproof and adaptable. Think of them as the armored tanks for your legs, using fancy materials like Cordura or Kevlar. Riding jeans? They've gone pro with Kevlar reinforcements around the hips and upper legs. But wait for it. They bring the heat with armor protection around the hips and knees. Riding pants don't mess around. They've got top-notch armor around the knees and hips, using fancy stuff like D3O and CE rated protectors to keep your legs safe. Let's give these pants the spotlight they deserve. The bottom line is safety gear is not just a checklist. It's it's your lifeline on the road. If you got value from this video, share with like-minded riders. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll see you in this next video.